Backing up, I saw a guy on the end. There's a little light that he put on that tank car. Yeah, they got a little light on that, that's a hopper. They're switching a grain elevator. Now what we have here is a no left turn light that I've never seen in activation in my entire life. Orange, and then the red flashing lights. There's not a gate here on this side. I've honestly never seen a train. I've only seen another train at this crossing only once. That says no left turn, although you can barely see it. I haven't seen a train at this crossing in about 7 years, maybe. They don't use this too much. Connects to INRD's, what I call the industrial spur, because it's kind of what it is. And the crossing's owned by CSX, and they have a little branch line that goes to another grain elevator, which is like 2 miles to the west of here. This guy's switching grain elevator. Down over there, there's a fork that goes to the branch line, and then there's the spur to the grain elevator just over there. It's a little fork. Just want to point that out. By now, this train's probably blocking out. He's at least blocking one crossing for sure, and it's just over there. But I don't think I can do it. Yeah, there you go. You can see the lights to the side there. And then another one down there, down further, he's probably blocking that, because this one's kind of long. I just realized this train's coming out of the branch line, so he's just now pulling in. He's going to drop off these hoppers. He's slowing down. Maybe. I hear the engine. It's right over there. There might be 2 of them. Yeah, I think there is. Yeah, there's 2 locomotives here. CSX. Oh, never mind, there's 3. Wow. That's a lot.